Welcome. We're going to take a look at how Python in Pieces can be accessed from Purple Mash. If you subscribe to both services, then you can open up Purple Mash like I have done here and click on Tools, and then in the coding section to the top left, you'll see the Python in Pieces icon. When I click on the Python in Pieces icon, it will open up as a separate session in a new tab. Python in Pieces is a separate product to Purple Mash, so I can interact with this session, I could log out of this session, and Purple Mash will still remain open and logged in the previous tab. Whereas you might be used to in Purple Mash applications opening up within Purple Mash, the Python in Pieces link will open a new session in a new tab. So you can return to Purple Mash by going back to the Purple Mash tab. When you access Python in Pieces, you get access to all of the resources in the centre here. If you were to set tasks in Python in Pieces, they will be set as tasks in Python in Pieces. These work in a really similar way to to-dos in Purple Mash. You still do have the admin menu to the top right. As a teacher, you can access lots of support from here, okay, and you're also able to see things like the showcase at the top here as well. So you can access the whole product, but launched as a new session in a new tab, rather than being part of Purple Mash itself. If you'd like to know about how to subscribe to Python in Pieces, or if you'd like to have a go, have a trial, then please contact us and we'll switch on this Python in Pieces button in your account.